The staging blotter widget is designed to process large orders and record trades executed outside the platform. The staging blotter is only available to administrators. It provides three core functions: executing large orders with minimal market impact, manual prints, and processing crosses with the staging blotter. You can execute large trades with minimal market impact by creating a parent order, which is then sliced into smaller child orders. For example, if you need to place a $100,000 order in a less liquid stock with a price of $100 per share, executing such an order could disrupt the market, leading to undesirable price fluctuations and potential losses. Using the staging blotter, you create a parent order for 1,000 shares and then slice the parent order into 10 child orders of 100 shares each, so they appear as regular orders within the trading book. First, create a parent order. Navigate to the staging blotter widget, click the Stage button, fill out the parent order's parameters, account, and the trade destination account where the stocks will either be bought or sold. Select the contra account and the average price account to be used for executing the trade. Choose the order type, and then click the Buy or Sell button. Next, review the parent order parameters and click Trade to proceed. The parent order is created and serves as a template for upcoming child orders. Orders placed through the staging blotter also appear in the orders list. Widget's orders are highlighted to distinguish them from regular orders. Second, slice the parent order into child orders. Locate the parent order. Hover over the parent order and click the plus action button. Fill out the child order parameters. Click the Verify button. After verification, click Trade to proceed. This will place the child order for execution, and it will be displayed within the parent order. Repeat the process of slicing the parent order into child orders until the parent order is fully filled.